Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check news on the Clash Royale application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the Earth icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can check the news, videos and esports button, and just for example select new and click that, and you can read. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.